We can go down to 1,600 again.
Did she say that?
I'm going to confirm it, but
okay.
I think she said call the field. Did she say call the field?
5 Alpha Charlie, fly heading 260.
Let me confirm that.
Fly heading 260, 5 Alpha Charlie.
5 Alpha Charlie, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descend to maintain 3,000, 5 Alpha Charlie.
8501, that previously called traffic
request
is
lower.
now 4,000,
yeah.
descend to
Yeah, don't confirm it, just request
9
lower.
o'clock, 3 miles westbound.
7 Romeo pop for lower.
Still no contact.
7 Romeo pop for lower.
Romeo, Papa, descend to maintain 1,600.
7 Romeo pop.
BS flick flick.
We have
Yep.
traffic in sight.
5 Alpha Charlie, roger, maintain visual separation with that traffic.
And as soon as we get that airport site, we can
8501, previously
get
called
the
traffic
visual.
has you in
So we
sight.
get around this little shower right here.
7 Romeo, Papa, you need me to set you up for the RNAV, or are you going to get the visual?
We'll get the visual.
Roger.
5 Alpha Charlie, field in sight.
5 Alpha Charlie, roger, you're flying PA 46 on a 5 mile left base at 2,200. Let me report him in sight.
Looking, 5 Alpha Charlie.
8501, fly heading 090.
090, ready, 501.
Shit. My bad.
You're good. Nope, you're good. Your left tank, please. Left tank's good.
Yeah, left tank.
Okay, yep. That's where it was, right?
No, I just moved
On
it.
8501, climb maintain 4,000.
Got a 2 for 4, I'm on 8501.
Okay, back to 20 inches and arrest your
Romeo,
descent.
Papa, just confirm you do not have the field in sight yet.
We're leveling.
Yep.
One more rain shower to go. We'll let you know, 7 Romeo Papa. Okay, got the field?
Do you have the field?
I do.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
I do have the field.
Okay.
7 Romeo pop, field site.
7 Romeo, Papa, roger, clear visual, approach runway 9, or you can contact International Tower 118.2.
Clear for the visual, over to tower, 7 Romeo pop. I can barely hear her. I think my left ear is all plugged.
Oh, that could be.
Yeah.
All right, so I wouldn't do gear yet. I would get.
we're pretty close in. We're pretty close in.
Oh yeah, okay. So it's going to be a visual.
Yeah.
I was going to say get on the line and make your descent from there, but go ahead.
Yeah.
16.
Power to 20.
Power is
Good, you're
20.
there. All right.
I'm just going.
Yeah, autopilot off. Yeah. All right, yeah, so be careful clicking the autopilot off here because it leaves the yaw damper on, which puts you at risk for
On 8501, fly heading 070.
landing a pig instead of an airplane.
070, 8501.
George, 4658, 11 and a half, descending for 10,000. We have Oscar and previous controller approved.
There we go, 18-2.
Okay.
And tower, good morning, 917 Romeo pops, left base for 9.
917 Romeo Papa Key West Tower, wind 100 at 13, gust 17, altimeter 3005, runway 9 clear to land.
Clear to land, 9, 7 Romeo pop.
All right, so we got some gusts in excess of 15 knots. So maybe 2 notches, feels pretty good right now, but let's see how it goes. Looks good. So you thinking about more flaps, or are you going to land with 2?
With the crosswind, what's your recommendation?
Well, I don't feel the gusts.
I don't either.
So I would go with full flaps.
That's what we'll do, yeah.
And now here come the gusts.
Wind 090 at 12, gust 17.
Copy.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, so 100 knots, 3 green,
Right
all
down
the
the
flaps.
runway.
Yeah.
Looking good. Left thumb on the trim. Yeah. Wings level, wings level, wings level. Yeah, right there. Sweet. Back pressure with brakes. And we could make the turn to the to the ramp is coming up.
7917 Romeo Papa, turn right at Alpha 3 and contact ground point Nutter.
Alpha 3 ground, Romeo Pop.
Manage your RPM on this big visual panel here, because all those amps for the panel make that RPM go low. Nicely done. Welcome to Key West. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.